come to see the clock will be so disappointed. Let's go see what's wrong.
What could be the problem?
Shrink action! This twig is jamming the main drive wheels.
It's really wedged in there.
It won't budge.
Supercharged speed! Ah! Yes! Good work, team!
We did it!
Huh? Look out! Ah! Why doesn't that pigeon want us to restart the clock?
Look!
That's why the mama pigeon jammed the gears. Huh? The clock is working again.
Oh no! The baby's scared! Whoa!
Whoa! Whee! Whoa! Whoa!
Hey! Come back!
Ow! Oh no! We've lost track of the baby pigeon! Super speed!
Slump bus! Turn right here! Now, hard curve!
Huh? There you are! Hang in there, baby pigeon! Gotcha! Supercharged success!
I've got some beads from a broken necklace. Here's a handful of old shiny buttons. And we're done! Wow! Word gets around quick. It's not big enough for all of them. Come back! I think they need a bigger house. Still not enough. Things are looking up. Time to hit the road. Everyone, come see our show, the Bal de Bastons. It's a Catalan dance with sticks.
We need bottles, we need cans, busted chairs or broken fans. Put it all into these carts so Marta here can make her art.
Gotcha! Whoa! Oh no! Ah!
Loyalty, we tame trouble.
There it is! Huh? The ring moved! Whoa! Whoa!
They're hard to catch. What should we do?
My friends and I could change that.
Willie!
Or should I say your friends, Christo?
Hey, let's make our wedding circle around the fish.
Bubble blow action! I got it!
You are now officially married.
This is a special whistle for attracting ducks.
Good job with the ducks, everyone. Let's go.
Yay! Whoa! Oh! Whoa!
Sorry about the last bump. I didn't see it coming. Ha! The road is way smoother now. We have arrived at our destination.
The ducks are gone.
Police Patrol, we're on the case!
Police Patrol! Follow those feathers!
Stop! In the name of the...
Jett,
Are you all right?
This is not working.
Duck Patrol, let's roll!
Quack, 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 quack. Yes! They're all in the trap.
Oh no! The ducks need to eat before the sun sets. Not to worry, you're in luck.
Team power! Into the wind!
Listen, I hear one. A bird of paradise.
Now! Quick! Take a picture!
It's too far away.
Time for some jet speed! Whoa! That bird's fast! Things are looking up!
My trunk of times past. There's something here to solve every problem. What every nature photographer needs.
Grand Albert was right. They're not flying away.
Remember, you've got to dance like a bird. They like dancing.
Dance. But how?
Just do what they do.
Okay. It's working! It's working! Beautiful birds! Thank you! Here! Subscribe to our channel!